Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can delete and create new profiles on Netflix. So if you go up here, go to manage profiles, and then here you can add another profile. You can even make it a kids friendly one. You can also change like the profile picture if you'd like to. To remove a profile, just select the profile you want to remove, scroll down and select delete profile. And that is how you can either add or remove profiles on Netflix. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully this worked out for you. Bye!